In this video, I'm going to show you how to record in Cubase. Now, the first time you open Cubase and a new project, it may look a bit confusing, but it's actually super simple. So, to start recording, first you want to configure your input and output. To do this, you want to go to Studio up top, and then you want to go to Audio Connections. You could also press F4 on your keyboard, that's also going to work, and it's going to pop it up like this. Now, in here, you want to go to Inputs, and of course, you want to select the correct microphone for your stereo. So as you can see, you can select your audio device over here, as well as your device port. For me, I'm just going to use my Yeti stereo mic, which is the one over here. It should automatically recognize your microphone as long as it's plugged into your computer, okay? So that's the first thing you can do, and then of course here you can go to Outputs and set your output as well. For me, it's just this default one over here. Now, when you've done this, you're ready to record. You want to go and add a track, which you can do by going to up here where it says Audio or Project, and then here, hover over Add Track, and then select which track you want to record. For this one, we're just going to go with the basic audio track, but you could do instrument, sampler, whatever. Let's do audio, and then from here, give it a name. I'm going to actually name this one Test, and you can select the input, so I'm just going to go with stereo in, so everything is going in here. I have, of course, the L and R, of course, both of them, and then here, the output is also going to be stereo out, so we have a stereo sound. I'm now going to click on Add Track, but of course you can pick your color over here as well if you wanna, and then select how many you want. I want one, Add Track, there we go. From here, you want to go and first select the track, and you want to record enable it by clicking this record enable button. Now when you've done this, all there's left to do is you have to position yourself where you want to start. I'm going to go to the very beginning, and then I'm going to hit this button at the bottom, and whenever you press this, it's going to start recording just like this, and as you can see, it's picking up my audio, which is indicated over here as well as down here, and whenever I now stop this, you'll see if I play it, my audio is actually in here. It's going to start recording just like this, and as you can... There we go, works perfectly, and that's how you can record in Cubase, super simple and quick. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.